More than 4,600 new coronavirus cases in Massachusetts, the most in a single day here so far.
And hospitals are starting to get crowded. More than 1,200 patients are now hospitalized in Massachusetts with COVID-19. On the same day that we saw that record number of cases, the CDC warned that the threat to Americans is at a, quote, historic high. Good evening to you. I'm David Wade.
And I'm Lisa Hughes. Tonight, there is also reason for hope. The UK approved the first coronavirus vaccine, but it won't protect many people in time for the holidays. As Kristina reports tonight, experts say the safe move is to stay home.
As COVID-19 cases reach daily record highs here at home, nationally, more than 100,000 people are hospitalized with the virus, the most we've seen since this pandemic began.
The time for debating whether or not masks work or not is over.
The head of the CDC is warning Americans of a dark winter ahead for the coronavirus pandemic.
The reality is December and January and February are going to be rough times. I actually believe they're going to be the most difficult time in the public health history of this nation.
The grim reminder comes as the world starts to see the light at the end of the pandemic tunnel.
2021 is going to be better, and help is on its way.
Great Britain approved the Pfizer vaccine Wednesday for emergency use, meaning healthcare workers and nursing home residents could start to be vaccinated this week.
Everyone can be absolutely confident that no corners whatsoever have been cut.
Here in the U.S., the Pfizer vaccine is expected to be approved at an FDA meeting on December 10th, and the Moderna vaccine shortly after. Locally, Governor Baker's COVID-19 vaccine advisory group is already preparing for the shot to eventually be available at the doctor's office, the pharmacy, and even drive-through clinics.
It's truly extraordinary. Certainly, it's the most complicated vaccination program that I've ever been aware of or been associated with in my life.
In the meantime, as Thanksgiving travel winds down, the CDC is asking Americans to instead stay home for the upcoming holiday season.
This trip was kind of my last hurrah. I anticipated that there were going to be some stricter measures to come, and for good reason.
And if you still do plan to travel during the holidays, the CDC recommends you get tested for COVID-19 1 to 3 days before your trip, and again 3 to 5 days after you get home. In Boston, Kristina, WBZ News.
Kristina, thank you.